Moin, All Souls Day or All Saints Day. Yeah, here in Deutsch, All Souls Day preparation is not like in Philippines. Look at this. Not like in Philippines, many flower, food, and candles. Here in Deutschland, just a very simple na this is it in Deutschland cemetery. I don't know is this a public or it's a private, but it's nice. No people. It's only me. This is in Deutschland cemetery. So guys, in Philippines, if you don't have money, you cannot celebrate All Souls Day because you cannot buy food, biko, and what else? Sikwati. Yeah, but do not forget to visit your minamahal in cemetery. Bahalag walang pera, basta ramdam mo pa rin sila.